Hi guys, I'm Laura Brigetti, and today we're going to be talking about the protector treatment. I have been looking for a product just like this from Amika. Getting Carla's color to this beautiful chestnut color is such an investment, and I want to make sure that she still feels the same at home after washing it. I don't have to worry about the sun, I don't have to worry about wash day, the pool, because she has the protector collection at home. If you're worrying about your client's color fading, this collection is going to keep your client's color protected. I recommend using all three of them for maximum results. This shampoo gently cleanses without stripping, shifting, or fading the color of your hair. And it actually prevents fading up to 40 washes. I love this collection because it rinses out so quickly without any film or residue. And since you're spending less time under the water, there's less wash-related color fade. So this is the last part of the three-step collection. While the hair is damp, spritz the protector treatment throughout the hair. Because of the high slip, this is going to ease the detangling process and minimize the breakage. It also has a color longevity complex that locks in the color from the inside out. So a big pro tip is consistency. The more you use the product, the stronger your hair will get.